Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Power Core in Dark War Survival. In Dark War Survival, the Power Core is a key item that enhances your equipment's performance and gives you strategic advantage in battles. To use a Power Core, first ensure your equipment is upgraded to a high enough level, as this feature becomes available only on advanced gear. You can access the option by upgrading your tower, since higher tower levels unlocks more features, including equipment customization. Once your equipment meets the requirements, select the Power Core option and apply it to your gear. Using Power Cores wisely boosts your equipment stats, strengthens your heroes, and can make a significant difference in challenging missions or PvP encounters. By consistently upgrading your tower and gear, you'll unlock more Power Core capabilities, allowing you to maximize your combat potential and stay ahead in Dark War survival. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.